Attention all truck drivers with AC license. Are you looking for a stable, full-time position with a growing company in Ireland? Then look no further than Lift Hire Ireland. Lift Hire Ireland, a leading provider of high-quality lifting equipment and services based in Mullingar, County Westmeath, is seeking a qualified MEWP operator/truck driver to join their team. In this role, you'll be responsible for operating trucks and mobile elevating work platforms, MEWPs. Delivering equipment to clients safely and efficiently. Maintaining a positive and professional attitude. To be successful, you'll need a valid C license, MEWP and Working at Heights experience, up-to-date CPC card, a flexible work schedule, a safe pass and manual handling certification, preferred. This is a permanent, full-time position offering a competitive salary between €35,000 and €50,000 per year. Lift Hire Ireland also provides a great work environment with benefits such as on-site parking, company events, bike-to-work scheme. If you're a skilled and motivated individual who thrives in a fast-paced environment, we want to hear from you. Email your CV to Lift Hire Ireland today to apply or learn more. Applications close on August 1, 2024, with an expected start date of August 1, 2024. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity.
For more truck driving jobs and information, please visit the link in the video description below. Thank you.